Yes, I thought it was.
Arnold, I fixed it. The amount stayed the same once I removed the judgment, and I will email that to her to re-sign.
Okay.
Good morning. This is cause number 2020-62714 in the interest of Denaya, Jared, Damian, and Delilah Rideau. All parties, please raise your right hands to be sworn, parties and witnesses. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Do.
Yes, I do.
Miss Nunn,
Yes, I do. My camera isn't working. I'm sorry.
that's fine. Please identify yourself, ma'am, and your relationship to these children.
I'm the parent. I'm the mother.
And for the state,
Kavita Sharma for the state, Your Honor.
court will note that the non-custodial parent of Jared Joseph Rideau Sr. Mr. Rideau was served on December 4th, 2020 at 4:13 p.m. At 16339 Stubner Airline Road, apartment 1010 in Spring, Harris County, Texas. He has not filed an answer, is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
He's also given further notice of this Zoom hearing by certified mail, return receipt requested, which was delivered on May 1st, 2021 in Spring, Texas. He is not checked in today. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
That is correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you. Your Honor, the state would like to call Arnold Barrera to the stand, please.
All right.
Mr. Barrera, can you state your name for the court?
Ronaldo Barrera,
And where are you employed?
the Office of the Attorney General.
And can you please state your position there?
The nature of my responsibilities is conduct investigations on calculating child support and retroactive child support.
Thank you, Mr. Barrera. And have you received any special training to calculate support in compliance with the Texas Family Code?
Yes, I have.
And have you calculated child support in this matter?
Yes, I have.
Can you please share your calculations with the court?
Yes. Mr. Rideau's monthly gross income is $2,628.45. After taxes and healthcare, his net income is $2,018.05. Based on those amounts, the medical support, cash medical amount should be $236 per month. Child support should be $807 per month. I also calculated retroactive child support from the time frame of August 1st, 2019 through June 7th, 2021. Comes out to $18,561 with a payout of $143.00, all to begin July 1st, 2021 and monthly thereafter.
Thank you, Mr. Barrera. Your Honor, I have no further questions for Mr. Barrera. May he be excused?
Oh, in just a minute. Ms. Nunn, do you have any questions for Mr. Barrera?
No, I do not.
All right, you may be excused, Mr. Barrera.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Go ahead, Ms. Sharma.
Your Honor, the state would like to call Ms. Dominique Nunn.
All right.
Ms. Nunn, you stated earlier you are the mother of these 5 children listed in this order, correct?
Yes.
Can you
Oh, sorry.
Can you please tell me the ages of your children?
14, Janiyah. Danae is 13. Jared Jr. is 13. Demaya is 12, and Delilah is 9.
Okay, and how are your children covered for health insurance?
Through Medicaid.
Okay, and their father is Mr. Gerard Rideau. Do you know if he was given notice of this hearing today?
Yes, he was, and I also notified him.
Okay, you notified him by speaking with him today?
Yes, and I sent the email as well with the
And
link.
when you talked to him today, it was during our negotiations?
Correct.
And he advised you that he would not be coming in because he was at work, correct?
Yes,
And he works at Black Bear Diner?
correct.
Okay. Can you tell me how long ago did you and Mr. Rideau stop living together?
Back in July 2019.
Okay, and so you're asking the court to order retroactive child support for the last 23 months when you all stopped living together.
Yes, ma'am.
And you're asking the court to order the $18,561 as judgment against Mr. Rideau?
Yes, please.
And you're asking the court to order that he pay $143 a month beginning July 1 and a step-up payment in increments of $244, $345, $445, and $546 as the children turn 18, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And can you tell the court why you and Mr. Rideau stopped living together? Was there any family violence between you two?
Yes, it was due to domestic violence.
Okay. And during that time when you moved out, you were living in a shelter?
Yes, ma'am.
And the children were also living in the shelter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So are you asking the court to keep your address confidential for the purposes of your protection and that of the children?
Yes, I am.
And you're also asking the court to name you and Mr. Rideau as joint managing conservators of the 5 children, correct?
Yes, for now.
With you being possessory parent and can determine the children's residence within Harris County and surrounding counties, correct?
Yes, I will.
And you're also asking the court to do visitation with pickup and drop off at the McDonald's at 255 on Greens Road because you do not want Mr. Rideau to know where you live. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. Is there anything else that I missed that you would like to tell the court?
No, I think you went over everything. Visitation is because of the violence between me and their dad, but also his girlfriend.
Okay, but she's not a subject of this suit, correct?
Correct, correct.
Okay, and you're
Thank you.
asking the court to order Mr. Rideau to pay $807 in child support beginning July 1 and step downs thereafter at 706, 605, 505, and 404 as the children turn 18?
Yes, ma'am. That's what I'm asking.
And you're asking the judge to order Mr. Rideau to pay court costs as billed to him and not to you, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And Your Honor, there was a typo in the order. We had a judgment amount for $4,600 and something payable by August. We're going to make that correction submitted to the court for signatures.
All right, the court will approve the order as corrected. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be